Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom Video Communications easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Zoom Video Communications in the search bar. Click on the official Zoom website link, usually the first result. Once on the Zoom homepage, find the Resources tab in the top menu. Hover over Resources and then click on Download Zoom Client. You will be redirected to the Downloads page. Here, locate the Zoom Client for Meetings option. Click the Download button next to it. Your download should start automatically. If prompted, choose the location on your computer to save the file. Once the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the Zoom installer file to begin the installation. If asked, confirm any security prompts to allow the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Once the installation is complete, Zoom will launch automatically. You may be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you're new to Zoom, select Sign Up Free and follow the instructions to create an account. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the main interface. You can now schedule or join meetings as needed. Make sure your audio and video settings are configured before your first meeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.